This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Plug the Easy Control Center into power and watch the LED settle. A steady light means boot complete. Once done, choose wired Ethernet for 1 Gbps stability or enable the device Wi-Fi and make sure your router is on the same subnet. Next, press and hold the pair button for 3 seconds until a blue pulse appears. This signals pairing mode. This immediate sequence gets you into the control interface quickly and avoids unnecessary delays. You now configure the core. Open the Easy Control app, sign in, and add the center by scanning the QR or entering the manual ID within 60 seconds of pairing. Once added, group devices into rooms, then build scenes to control multiple outputs together. Set delays and trigger thresholds to avoid false activations. Next, create if/then rules. For example, if motion and ambient light below 30%, then switch on lights. Make sure to test each rule immediately to confirm expected behavior. You finish by updating firmware and backing up the configuration. Make sure to set a strong admin password and enable 2-factor authentication. Once done, run each scene and scheduled rule through a 24-hour cycle to verify reliability across different conditions. If something goes wrong, try this. Reboot the center, clear the mobile app cache, and repair the problematic device. Network flaps often break sessions. If issues persist, inspect the router for DHCP conflicts and reserve a static IP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.